time for something new. So I thought I'd be extra ambitious, and instead of buying a bass, I'm going to build it. Starting with the body made from this nice piece of hard maple. All right, here we have the body. It's been drawn. It's basically a cross between a J bass and a Rickenbacker. The contours here, and over here a little more Rick-like, but the horn from a J bass is a lot more comfortable, so I used more of that design, and I had to hand draw this because I wanted a body that wasn't quite as high, so I could use a solid piece of wood, and so it's more compact. For the record, I do not expect this bass to sound like a Rickenbacker. I'm just using these pickups because they have, well, I know they sound good for starters, and they have these adjustable pole pieces, which I don't understand why other bass pickups don't have those. Okay, I got the neck rough cut here. Of course, always make sure you have proper safety equipment. Just checking out my routing job here. This isn't set yet, but I'm just checking the fit. Seems to be pretty good. Alright, just trying out these holes for size. Looks like the depth is pretty good here. Time to route out the electronics. Now comes the really nerve-wracking part, drilling out those really long, narrow holes. I'm not going to record this part because it'll take all my concentration. This hole drilled nicely, merges in a good spot out the other side. I bored the hole here, through here, and it came right out a channel here. Alright, I've started a little bit of a pilot hole here with the hand drill to ground the bridge. Alright, there it is. And the bridge will come just about here and cover the hole. Just going to use a lightly damped cloth, clean out the neck pocket. Okay, I've applied the glue. Make sure it's nice and even. Okay, I have the neck joint set and clamped firmly. I didn't document this portion of the project, but I have it lacquered. The bridge came with absolute junk for screws, so I had to buy good steel ones. Okay, I put on the tuning machines. And now it's time to wire the electronics. All right, it's time for the moment of truth. Time to actually hear the instrument. I'm going to start with comparing my existing J bass that I've had since high school. I'm going to try it first with the bridge pickup and mid pickup. I apologize in advance because the strings on this bass and the next bass are really old. Now the mid and neck pickup. Try with just the neck pickup. Bridge pickup. All right, not bad. I still need to make some fine adjustments here, but I've had strings on this bass for all of one day now, and so far it seems pretty good. It seems to be something a little in between a Rick and a jazz bass with a little character of its own. I want to take this opportunity to thank Laura and Joe Baldessari for their help in buying some of the parts that I needed. It was very generous of them. I also want to thank Sarah Neshfeed from Chicago Music Exchange. She went out of her way to help me with a problem I was having. I'm going to get back to playing my bass.